Welcome to Digital Literacy in Healthcare. My name is Kisa, and I'm going to be your facilitator for this course. This course really will give you a great overview of lots of different technology that's used in healthcare, kind of give you a background of how to go through it, and then show your assessment of your knowledge at the very end. The focus of this course is the use of technology in healthcare. You're going to use common business software applications, such as word processing, presentation, spreadsheet, and even databases. Communication methods using technology are also addressed. You will gain experience with using the electronic health record, healthcare EHR, security issues, social media use, and digital healthcare resources are examined. So to start out with the course, what you're going to want to do is to view the syllabus, which is going to be found under the course information in the module section. So to get to the module section, you're going to click on the modules on the left-hand side. The course is broken down into 9 modules. Each assignment will have an attached rubric, and you will want to follow this rubric to ensure maximum amount of points for that assessment. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email or call me. Make sure that you allow for at least 48 to 72 hours for a return response. And if you don't hear anything, make sure that you re-email or call just to make sure that I've received this message. I'm excited to learn more with you, and welcome to class.